So today I will be showing you how to regen your dodo. So first we're gonna try to find a dodo. Dodo. It's probably gonna be a long video because I can't skip this video because I do not know how to edit. Dodo. Bro, what? Why isn't it loading? I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. Oof. I'm noob. I need 40 iron. Oh, cool, the dodo spawn. So, what you have to do here, so for example, if someone hits you, how do you die? Oh yeah, I know, TNT. I got TNT damage myself, because I don't know how to suffocate myself. I only suffocate myself when I'm lagging. We use TNT or fireball. What else can I use? TNT. Okay, so let me teach you. First, you can put this TNT first. Well, no, the dodo died. Anyways, since I couldn't do that, if the dodo dies, no. So if the dodo gets damaged, very low health, just dismount it and mount it again, and then because the health bar of the dodo is the gray thing, so there, that's basically it. I'm gonna continue with the video. You can leave if you want, but I'm gonna retry that attempt. Stay if you want to see how to do it clearly. Problem is, my friend wouldn't join me, so I have to do this alone, and this is gonna be very stressful. Bro, it's not your fault, bro. You don't gotta say sorry. I mean, it's your choice. Fireball. Oh! This is why I hate life. I suck. Boom. Also, I'm just gonna teach you that. So for the Jade Kit users, I'm gonna teach you how to do that tanker. That one that looks like a hack. I don't know how to explain this, but there. Just switch the so go to sword, switch to hammer, then immediately press, click, and then just switch back immediately to the sword. That's all you have to do. Boom. No, fail. Not there. You have to actually try to do this. Or you can just hold the hammer out and immediately switch to the sword. That's a lot easier. I wish I had the dodo so I could just jump there. Yep. Boom. The rest of the video is gonna be random stuff, so again, leave if you want to. Oof. How do people do this thing that or we can just do this. Whee. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. ba. Mana 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 mana. I'm gonna play some music. Well, my mouse might be moving because I'm not showing everything in my screen. I'm just showing the Roblox game. Where's that in my search history? Where's that song? Finally here.
Paayuda na namin to sa'yo kay LBC.
Bro,
Enjoy
shut up.
free remittances.
Okay.
Boss Chip, pabuki ka.
Stop with the ads. Stop with the ads. Finally, song. Oh, talk about that.
Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. What's your size? Add, subtract, divide. Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play drop my pen. I mean what I write, yeah. Whoa. I just can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what it can to get you off. Might just fucking with my makeup on. Eat it like I need the apron on. Either till I need to change my tone. You can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need it in me like a chucking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come ride me. Felt that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try? Most likely trying to see.
So you guys see, I managed to damage my dodo. So DC itself, it's not full. As you can see, just press this or just press G, and then after that, mount it again, and the bar went up. See, that's it. It's that easy. Sorry if I couldn't teach it earlier, cause I was stupid and very close and standed very close to the literal and okay, continue.
If you could handle the sex, probably give his ass a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection, probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it, just one night, man. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Please slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, can throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to know. What's your size? Add, subtract, divide. Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen. Aiming what I write, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what it can to get you off. Might just fucking with my makeup on. Eat it like I need an apron on. Either till I need to change my tone. You can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need an image like a chucking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try? Most Tryna see if you can handle the sex. Probably give his ass a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it, just one night, man. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Spank me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it. Give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all